Is trouble brewing for former Andhra Chief Minister Jagan Reddy. A criminal case has been slapped against Jagan Mohan Reddy and two IPS officers. This is a complaint that has been filed by TDP MLA Krishnam Raju, and in the latest, the case that's emerging, we are told, is a criminal case against him and also two IPS officers. I want to immediately bring in Apurva Jayachandran for the latest on that. Apurva, what is this case about and what is happening? What is the latest?
Well, Pooja, what we do know is that this, in fact, is a case relating to when Raghuram Krishan Raju, the former YSRCP MP there, he was taken into custody. What he claims in the FIR is that he was met with, torture there in police custody as well, and that he was allegedly beaten up by police officials. That's what he says. He alleges custodial torture. He also goes on to state that despite police and officials knowing he had a recent bypass surgery that had taken place, some of the officials there attempted to even stamp on his chest, which caused him great pain, and there was delay in him getting the medical need that he was attempted due to the, as per the say of YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. That's what Raghuram Krishan Raju is saying. In fact, now he is the current TDP MLA there, and he's also lodged an FIR right now, not only on charges of attempted murder, but also several other sections against the former Chief Minister and YSRCP Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy, and also the former IAS officers, IPS officers, and several other important names that have come up in this FIR that has been filed by Raghuram Krishan Raju. He also goes on to state that this kind of violence was meted out with him, especially when officials knew that there wasn't due procedure followed and that they were doing things on the behest and orders of the former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy.